Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel, Dat Crafty Gamer, where I combine crafting and gaming fun all in one channel. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate your visit. I hope you find something you like and will consider subscribing. If you do decide to subscribe, you could check out the links below to also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram if you would like. And today's video is going to be like another picture frame, and we only have this one and one other one we are doing, and then I'm going to be done with picture frames. And I am working on a winter wreath DIY idea, and I will hopefully post that maybe next week or the week after, because next week is Christmas, so I may not have one up for next week, but the week after Christmas I might have my winter wreath up. But anyway, if you guys like the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with others if you think they would like it. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. All right, and oh yeah, don't forget to comment below to let me know what you think of the picture frame. All right, so let's get started. Okay, my darling, so for this picture frame, all I needed was my paint, my paintbrush, my painting tray, my picture frame, and some scrapbook paper, and some Mod Podge. So if y'all are interested in doing your own picture frames, those are the things that I used in this specific project. So right now we're just painting this, and I will just let y'all watch to see what's going down because there's really nothing to discuss. It's pretty self-explanatory here, but I am going to paint the top of the frame, and then later you will see that I will start painting the outer edges and actually the inner edge of the frame as well. Okay, so now we are going to paint the outer edges, and then like right on the inside, the inner edge there where the picture actually shows through. Okay, so we're finishing up the inner edge, and I do always put at least 2 or 3 coats of paint on the frames because the acrylic paint I have doesn't usually cover it well with 1 coat. And some of the people I've watched, I might actually, you know, the crafters that I watched doing DIYs and stuff, a lot of them use a chalk paint, and I guess because it covers typically in 1 coat, so that might be something I might want to look into once I've used up the paint that I have. So, and now we're just putting on putting Mod Podge on the back of our craft booking paper, and we're going to attach it to the inset. And you'll see here I start to put the Mod Podge on, but I decide you'll find later that I did let it dry, and then I put the other coat on later. So that's why I was like, oh, what are you doing? I'm like, you should probably wait, let it dry, and then put it on. So yeah, that's why I paused there. And then I'm going to show you guys here how it looks inside the frame. And it looks way better than just looking at that particle board. So if you don't have a picture frame in there, it's fine. And now here, these are just pieces of scrapbook paper that I cut out to the same size. And yeah, I have to do a lot of this stuff without, because I don't have a Cricut. I was going to ask for one for Christmas, but I don't really think the budget would allow it. I'm like, if I asked for a Cricut, it would have just went over the budget that we had for the year. I think our budget for this Christmas holiday was just $400 per person. So, and the Cricut machines run pretty high, and there were a couple other things I was kind of interested in. Like, I wanted a camera so that I could do vlogging and stuff like that, and just so I could take some better pictures. Because the phone camera, it's not great for vlogging, and I don't know, it doesn't always take the best pictures either. I probably should have asked for a new camera for my my crafting cam, because I don't know, I feel like this one could be clearer, and it's not as clear as I'd like it to be, so it might just be that it's kind of outdated. So, and then these are some little bows that I made. Again, using the scrapbook paper. It's basically just folding it over, like making little loops, like 3 little loops to make this bow. And there we go. And I was just using this pencil here to like make sure it was secured to the glue there. Nice. I love it. I mean, it's very simple, but it's really pretty. So, and oh, you guys can kind of see the next frame in the picture there. And I decided to take that out so I can go ahead and put my final coat of Mod Podge on there. And this stuff had already sat for a couple of days, so, and we're gonna Mod Podge the frame as well. So all the paint that I've got for these picture frames that I've been doing for the holiday season, you know, they're just gifts for people. I tried to get all like glossy paint, but since all the paint isn't glossy, I kind of like the idea of using the Mod Podge on tops, because it kind of secures the paint and anything that I might have embellished it with, like the scrapbook paper. So I like that the Mod Podge I bought has a gloss finish to it, so that's kind of why I've been doing that with the Mod Podge, going over the paint. It's not necessary, but I like the shine that it gives it, so it looks good with the shine. Okay, my darlings, if you made it to the end of this video, I hope you did enjoy it. This is our finished project for this specific frame. I can never hold it up quite straight, I guess. But anyway, If you like the video, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up and sharing if you think others might like the video. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next video.